So guys, unbox with today, new arrival guys. Let's see what we have here. This package just arrived today. After doing my best today, my package just arrived. Come on, let's unbox it. Let's see what we have here. You see, this is the logo I ordered for my baby birthday. Just arrived and we already birthday. We don't do our pass before the package come. The package delivered. This clothes, this is for me. I ordered some clothes. This is for me guys. That's for me. Something like that. Yes. Because I know I ordered it. It's for me shorts. Wow, very beautiful. Beautiful. I ordered it. And not all package arrival. This is not all the package guys. Let's open it. Another one. This is for me also. Shorts. Shorts. I like the quality. And this one is for my baby here. I like this one for my baby here. I saw this shirt. I love this shirt. I didn't see this color, so I have to say the color that I see. I love this shirt. I decided to buy it for my daughter to snap picture. But the cloth is just coming out. Wow, very beautiful. It's keto. You see, I just ordered it for her to snap picture. Birthday is over. The clothes arrived. Birthday is over. The clothes arrived. Wow, this cloth is beautiful. I love the quality, guys. This one is for birthday something. It just arrived. Next time we use it for our baby. So this one is also for blow something else for her hair. I ordered this one for her hair today for birthday. It just arrived. It just arrived. And I don't do her hair before this thing. I don't already do a Mali for her. Wow. This is a cap. This is lace cap that I ordered. It's arrived also. Wow. This one is arrived. This one is big. Very, very big. Big one. Elastic. This is LS. So my cap is arrived already. So we are going to sew wig tomorrow. Alright. This is the cap. I ordered it 7 pieces. I ordered 7 pieces of the cap. Okay, this one is for me. This one is for me guys. Let's open it. Wow, I took this color, I saw it on the app, it was very beautiful, but here, it's like this size I took is too big. I just the true size, and this size too, us L, this is us L, it's like it's too big, but it's fine, but the color is dark. This one is to design blue, let me pass. This one is sticker for wall, what sticker? For my children. I want to put it for my children's room. This one need a lot of work to put it because I'm not sure whether they come with gum. It's a sticker for no. So I want to put it in my children's room. But this one needs a lot of work to bond it, to stick it. Because I'm going to be using something to stick it to the wall. I don't know why they don't put something, you know what they put a gum up for. Sticker for them. So these are hair for birthday, when not pass. This one has new cap. I also ordered this one for cake. Cake we already finished and eat and finish. Cap. This one is cap. This one is for you after baking the cake, you put it on top of lighter and lighter. This one is, let's see what is inside here. Eyeglass for my baby for birthday. Birthday don't pass. So she will still be using it. Let me not just show it out because if she sees this one, she will just carry it and be using it to clean it. I have to go and back her first. So this is what we have here. Guys, share this video and follow for more. This is our cap. We have 7 pieces of cap. Let's start it with this. Not 7. We have 10. 10 or 9 pieces. That's what I ordered. 9 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 pieces, yes, 9 pieces is correct. That is what we have. I really love this clothes. Let's see. This is us L. Big. No, I have big tummy, but this is short too. This will cover my tummy well as I have big tummy. As it's short. Wow. You know, it will cover my tummy. I love this. Very beautiful. But it's short. Too short. So my tummy needs to go inside. Can I show you the video?